Hello, you are welcome to God's Kitchen. If you are new to my channel, you are very welcome, and if you have been watching my videos before, you are very welcome, and I thank you. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe and support my channel. And in this video, I'd like to be sharing with us how I make spaghetti with meat sauce. It's a very simple and delicious recipe that children love. So without much ado, let's go into my kitchen and make it. The following are the ingredients that we need to make this spaghetti with meat sauce. I have spaghetti sauce, cilantro, red kidney beans, tomato paste, salt. I have ground beef. You can decide on the quantity that you love, and then you can use either turkey or chicken or pork. You can mix them depending on your preference. And I also have olive oil, or fresh organic olive oil. I have dry spices like garlic powder, rosemary, turmeric, cumin, black pepper, and curry powder, pepper flakes, and some cube seasonings. And you can choose any of the seasoning that you love to use for your food, the one that you know that you enjoy the taste in your food. So let's keep watching. Yes, I already have a pot of water that I've been boiling, and I just added like a little salt to it before adding my spaghetti. And we're going to flip the spaghetti and make sure that everything is well immersed inside the water until the spaghetti is cooked, but not totally, not soft. So while our spaghetti is boiling, so it's time to start preparing the beef, the meat, because I'm using beef. So now I already have my pot on the stove without any oil in it, and I'll be adding the meat to start cooking. So immediately I added the meat. So I'll be adding some chopped onion, and after that I'm also going to add some of my dry seasoning, which is like rosemary, turmeric, and I'm going to make sure that the meat are not sticking together. So I'll be breaking the meat to break it very well to make sure the seasoning are locked in to the meat. Yes, right now after adding the rest of the dry seasoning, I'm just making sure that the meat is well broken, and I'm just going to let it cook for like 3-4 minutes, because the meat is blended, so it's not going to take time to cook, and we don't want to overcook it. So right now I'll be adding my spaghetti sauce. You can use any spaghetti sauce of your choice, but I always make sure that I get the organic ones than the one that they use some natural herbs, to enhance the taste and the nutrient. So you can make choice. You can make your choice. You can choose any brand that you love, and then I'm going to stir it and let it start simmering. Right now I'm adding tomato paste. Actually, tomato paste is not compulsory if you don't like using tomato paste in your food, but I just love to add it because it adds a very nice bright color to my spaghetti. So right now I'll be adding the last 3 of my seasoning, that is the garlic powder, black pepper, and pepper flake, because I want to taste them, and I don't want to overcook my garlic powder. So that is why I'm adding those towards the end. So let's enjoy. So I'm going to stir everything together and let it cook slowly. Yes, because if you put a lot of heat, it's going to burn. So right now my spaghetti is nicely cooked. I don't like to overcook my spaghetti when I'm making it, because I'm making it with a sauce, because you have to remember that the sauce has some juice. So the juice is going to finish the cooking, so that the spaghetti is going to soak up the juice, and that will give the spaghetti a very nice taste. So now my spaghetti has been transferred into a colander. So I'm adding the fresh olive oil, just to prevent it from sticking together. And then the reason why I don't overcook my spaghetti is because when the spaghetti is overcooked and you are going to add it to a sauce, by the time it gets into the sauce, it becomes smushy and it will not taste good because it will have absorbed so much water while you are cooking it. Yes, so our sauce has been cooking. Now is the time for me to add the kidney beans. And if you have not subscribed to my channel and you've been watching my videos, kindly subscribe and help my channel to be able to make more videos like this. Thank you. So now I'll be adding the cube seasoning. You can use any cube seasoning of your choice, and for beans you can use any beans of your choice, and you can mix beans. You can use 2-3 different types of beans. It depends on what you like. I love to experiment, so you can try that. Now we can see that the sauce is perfectly cooked. Now I'll be taking some off because sometimes I don't like too much meat in my spaghetti, and sometimes a member of the family might want to just pour the sauce on top of the white spaghetti and enjoy it the same way. So, but if the sauce is not enough on the spaghetti, I will turn it back into the pot. So let's keep watching. So now it's time to add the spaghetti to the sauce. Yes, we can see that the spaghetti, it still, flows very easily because it's not overcooked. So now I'm going to stir it very well and then make sure that all the sauce is well incorporated with the sauce. Make sure that all the spaghetti get the sauce into their body. So let's keep watching. So right now you can see that how I'm turning the spaghetti. I don't like to be harsh with it so that it will not break, because I love it when the spaghetti is long and you can roll it with the fork when you are eating it. Now I realize that the sauce is not covering the spaghetti well, and I have to return the one that I took off. So this is going to make the spaghetti so rich and so creamy. Yes. So now I'll gently, push in the sauce into the spaghetti without breaking them too much. Let's keep watching. Now I'll be adding my organic fresh olive oil. Yes, this is where the magic happens in making spaghetti with meat sauce. Yes, this olive oil will give your spaghetti a very nice taste, very succulent, very inviting taste that your taste bud will want more. If you have not been using olive oil in your spaghetti, just try it and let me know your results in the comment section. Now we can see the difference in the look and the texture of this spaghetti and meat sauce. This olive oil is very, very important. The olive oil, organic olive oil, is the secret of making a very good spaghetti sauce, or even enjoying spaghetti in any way. So if you look at it, you see it how creamy, how gooey it looks. The spaghetti is not too overcooked, and everything is well incorporated. And this recipe, children love it a lot, even adults. I love this a lot. It tastes so good and so rich, with the meat, with the beans and all that thing, and the olive oil that we put together. And the olive oil comes towards the end because you don't want to overheat your olive oil. Try it and let me know. Yes, now I'm adding cilantro to my spaghetti and meat sauce. I love cilantro a lot. It's one of the fresh spice that I love a lot in my dishes. This is so wonderful. It takes your spaghetti sauce taste to another level. So after taking off my spaghetti from the stove, I always allow it to cool down for like 5 minutes. This is when the olive oil will be sucked in by the spaghetti, and that will be where you get the creamy and the gooey taste from. So now is the time for us to check our spaghetti with meat sauce. It looks so beautiful, it looks so yummy, and it tastes so good. So now we are dishing it out, and it's time for us to sit down, enjoy it, or gather the children together, our grandchildren, and let them have fun. Yes, if you have been watching my videos and you love my content and you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe, support my channel so that I'll be able to bring more of these recipes to you. Yes, I have more great recipes on my channel. So see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye and remain blessed.